going on a bit of a trek today. Should be a bit of a giggle. We're about to get our second cable car of our holiday. That was a snake. It was a snake. Lauren just looked at it and she got really close and she's fucking terrified of him, so we're quite proud of her. This lake is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Currently trekking through the jungle towards a waterfall. It's very hot. That was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. These crazy bastards. Look at them. Crazy motherfuckers. So I'll go for the day. I decided that it's not a good idea for me to keep my Apple Watch on, which kind of makes sense because there's lots of rocks and water, and even though it's waterproof, I don't want to smash a £700 watch. However, he's decided that he wants to wear it for the day. I think he might want me to give it to him. It's not going to happen. Now that's a water slide. Look at that bastard. And now we jump.
Jump! Never!
What do you reckon it is? Japanese? It says kimchi, doesn't it? The other guys seem really happy though. Just come across this little cool restaurant whilst running around.
Fucking cheap.
And it's cheap as shit.
Is it Spanish? What?
So it's a Korean barbecue restaurant. It's a Korean barbecue restaurant. And they gave us these nuts. And they're incredible. So we just had some Korean barbecue. Top 5 meals I've had in Vietnam so far, probably top 3. It all came to 120, which is £4. £4 for a full meal. I am so full. So good. We've decided to kill some time and go for a little night market walk. And we've just seen a chow chow, and this is the biggest fucking husky I've ever seen in my life. About to jump on our shuttle bus. It's so retro. That is reclining seat. Look, you can see it. It's reclined.
That might not be the bus though.
I'm pretty sure it is. We're about to get on my first night bus. What time is it? It's currently 10 to midnight. It's 6-hour bus? 6-hour bus. So it's either going to be great or terrible. I'll let you know in the morning. Bye-bye. This isn't that bad. Lauren?
Graham.
This isn't that bad. I've never seen a bus with 3 bunks like this.
You're not doing that at the camera.
You've seen that?
Your face is at the camera.
Seen that?
Your face is at the camera.
That's the point.
But they can't see what you're doing.
But I've done that. Done that bit, and I can cut that in, look. 1, 2, 3.